How to search on Craigslist by state. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can search on Craigslist by state, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to search on Craigslist by state, it is very simple because all you have to do is open up Craigslist. This process is much more easier on the browser because on browser you can just select the state automatically. But if you're on mobile, then here you can see at the very top location, tap on location. To change the state, you just need to make sure to drag this map wherever you prefer and then which state that you like. So it could be an international country, it could be a within your country as well, depending upon where you want, or you can simply make sure to enter the zip or the postal code of the state that you want to search in. So in my case, if I want to search from Arkansas, then I want to go ahead and simply enter the specific code, which you can find in Google, by the way. So you can just select that. So once I select the state, I can just tap and choose this location or hit the apply button. Next time whenever I search for something, it will show me based on this specific state. This way I can search by state on Craigslist. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.